Have you ever wondered why discipline seems so difficult for most people, yet military soldiers live with it effortlessly? While we all know discipline is important, staying consistent is a challenge. Meanwhile, military personnel maintain discipline no matter what. So, what's their secret? Former Navy SEAL Jocko Willink uncovers this mystery in his book, Discipline Equals Freedom. Jocko, a living example of extreme discipline, served in the ICE Navy SEALs for 20 years, holding the rank of Euro Lieutenant Commander Recipti and leading operations worldwide. His unwavering discipline helped him thrive in some of the toughest battle zones, including the Midzi Battle of Ramadi. According to Jocko, discipline is the weapon that destroys distractions, procrastination, and laziness. It is not something that depends on motivation or willpower. It is a mindset that ensures action even when you don't feel like it. What is true discipline? Before adopting a disciplined lifestyle, it's crucial to understand what discipline really is. Many people misinterpret its true meaning, thinking it's just about motivation. But Jocko disagrees and explains that three key elements drive human actions. 1. Motivation, a temporary feeling or desire to do something. 2. Willpower, the ability to resist temptation and control urges. 3. Discipline, a character trait that ensures action regardless of emotions. Motivation is fleeting, it comes and goes. Willpower helps in resisting distractions, but discipline forces action even when motivation and willpower fail. Imagine going to the gym. When you're excited and motivated, it's easy. But when exhaustion kicks in and motivation fades, discipline is what pushes you forward. Soldiers don't wait for motivation. They take action because discipline is their default setting. How to build military-level discipline. To develop discipline like a soldier, Jocko advises following 3 fundamental rules. Rather than making drastic changes, these simple but powerful steps gradually make you more disciplined. 1. Wake up early and win the day. Waking up early psychologically sets the tone. For your entire day, it's a key, small victory that gives you control over time and builds self-discipline. According to Jocko, no one wakes up early and regrets it. It always results in a more productive, successful day. 2. Complete the most dreaded task. Every day, there's one task you want to avoid. Instead of postponing it, make it your priority. Soldiers don't wait for motivation. They tackle difficult tasks head-on. Doing the hardest task first removes mental resistance and improves productivity. 3. Exercise daily. Physical activity reinforces discipline. The body resists hard work, but while pushing through exhaustion strengthens mental toughness. Daily exercise teaches your mind to commit even when it wants to quit. Many times you'll feel drained and mentally exhausted, but discipline means showing up anyway. Where does discipline come from? Most people rely on external pressure to stay disciplined. Teachers, professors, bosses, but real discipline comes from within. Entrepreneurs and successful individuals cannot rely on external motivation. They need self-discipline, the ability to drive themselves forward without supervision. Jocko states that military personnel realize the true value of discipline. After retirement, when no one is forcing them, yet they continue to wake up early, exercise, and take action. This is because discipline, once mastered, becomes a way of life. Discipline is freedom, not punishment. Many people believe discipline restricts freedom, thinking it takes away spontaneity, but Jocko argues that the opposite is true. Discipline is what creates real freedom. If you think you're free now, ask yourself, do you really have control over your life? You can order food anytime, scroll endlessly on social media, or procrastinate at will. But despite this freedom, people feel stressed, overwhelmed, and unhappy. That's because lack of discipline keeps you trapped in unhealthy habits and distractions. True freedom comes when you control your actions, rather than letting circumstances control you. The more disciplined you become, the more freedom you gain. Final thoughts. Discipline is not punishment, it's power. It allows you to take charge of your life, break free from distractions, and achieve your true potential. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching.